today. So today, what we doing, guys? Let's talk.
Where we heading up today, bro?
Yes, sir. Back
For a little car block party.
Well,
It's hosted by TRD Nico and like 2 others.
So the car is gonna be there.
Yeah.
That's, I mean, that bitch got like 7K. He showed the shit on it. That bitch got 7K shares, 80K thousand views. So you tell me what that's gonna be.
That bitch gonna be deep.
That bitch gonna be ODD. So we heading out there, man. Then we going to our after car meet. That's gonna be tough. And then shit, whatever happens after that, just happens. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you. But we got a little hour and 30 drive, a little something, a little calm, a little something slight. I ain't gonna try to do too much cutting because I did get a super speeder. Nah, that shit, not super speeder, but I got a speeding ticket, so I'm trying to be good boy behavior. But on God, who knows how that shit gonna go? I ain't gonna lie. Cause I be dogging my shit, especially with this nigga in front of me. I'm about to hit him off the bike. Big trip.
He about to hit his ass for real.
Oh, hit the damn bike. He trying to go. That nigga trying to go.
Check, man.
That nigga trying to go.
What's up, bro?
Oh God, shit, he got a smooth little chick.
No, I'm in it. Oh shit.
Hold on.
No, I'm in this motherfucker, man. Oh, can't find the right lane. I got shit in this motherfucker, man.
Oh, get a cut, twin. Get a cut.
Fast, man.
Fresh cut.
Boy.
DSLs. What's good, y'all? So we finally on the highway. We in traffic on the way to the block party. Trying to vote with this little SS behind us, but he ain't going for it per usual. So man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling good. Tonight gonna be a good night. We gonna have tons, man. I ain't gonna lie. We got block party, then car meet right after, and then you already know it's gonna be 5, 6 more spots. Come on, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know about y'all, but I'm feeling good. Feeling overly good. I'm ready, man. I'm ready. Ready to cut up, ready to dog my shit. I'm saving all the dogging up because I would be dogging right now, but I'm saving it for when we get into the A. How far we is from the block? Well, I don't even know shit in my house. But we probably
30 minutes.
Yeah, we probably about 30 minutes. 30 minutes, some shit like that. So we just vibing. Go forward. Wait, whatever it is.
It's a wrap right now. Yeah.
Little clean little rap. Clean little rap.
Little rap.
Some nice. But yeah, we just see some wide body. We see a little bit, not too much, not too crazy. Nothing on our side, which is pissing me off because I like to fuck with people on the highway. You know, sometimes niggas will fuck with you, sometimes they won't. But in the A, you fuck with anybody, they gonna fuck with you back. Down here, they ain't going for it. They just ain't going. But catch up with y'all back. I'm gonna hit y'all back in about when we get close to the block party. Shit, when we pulling up to the block party. Or if somebody start fucking with us, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. Alright, pull up to the meet. I think it's all around. We about to hop out in a second.
Bro, you ain't even gonna scroll up,
Try to get everybody.
Yeah, he ain't got no power steering in it. Oh, he turning. Yeah,
Carry right up, be right.
That bitch a sleeper.
Probably so, bro. Carry.
Real so good as fuck.
They got a side still. True. Has to. Just pulled up. He don't care. Hey. Oh, damn. Yeah, we pulled up now. Big. Yeah, Ray's cooking on that video. You know damn well. Nigga beat. Oh yeah. dog hell. Definitely. He coming to spin that bitch, so. He dog that bitch, huh? He better. I ain't gonna do it, man. Tell him. I see, bro. It's that blue one. I think I seen it. It's hard, bro. I know. I think it's on the tire. Looks like it's on the tire. Big ass tire. Your shit was just straight. Not a wide body. Not a wide body. That bit lower too. That bit look good. Hey, you just somebody that great, man. Oh yeah. Look. That bit hard. They got a little drum, man. Nigga fan. Oh, we get that bitch. Hey, he be in this shit. What they be? Baby, D. Maybe an ODD. This is the second spot. First one got shut down. I ain't gonna lie, I'll get this one by 10 minutes max, and this big gonna get shut down. We park by the edge so we can get on up out of there. Got wide bodies everywhere, boy. Wide body right here. This shit about great.
Yeah, that's real starting.
Oh, what the fuck is that smell?
That
my
shit? No, it's that nigga car.
Oh god, that nigga shit about to blow up. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get out here, bro. Wide body. OD. Come on, get loud as a bitch. Damn. But he shooting flames. I'm seeing it. That boy smoked them bitches. Now, well, for sure, bro. Well, look at you all up in the camera. Oh. Somebody said, look at the back.
Somebody gonna spin that bitch.
I don't tip me. Don't tip me. Stop.
Still too low for me, man.
I've been one of the boys old, but. Oh. Take that yam off your face.
Nah, it's for the whole thing.
Oh, get the fuck out of the way. He coming through. Oh, yeah. You can tell that's a hit me. But it be hard. It hard, yeah.
Something I left.
Well, you can tell us 5'7" though, boy, how they be taller. It be right here, hit shit hard though, bro. Yeah, hit hard. That be talking, bro. That nigga moving. That's true. That nigga spinning his shit.
Maybe speedy.
Hey, that truck was talking though. I need that nigga to come turn back around. That dude. So, oh, that truck come back through. It's on the right there, bit, bro. Coming through the way.
Oh, he coming back.
That bit. Oh yeah, he gotta hit that bit. Come on. Nigga trill. They trying to get us. Oh, that's SRT.
SRT hard.
Yeah, he probably true.
Yeah. ERP, man. Look.
But remind you yourself, G.
Oh, I ain't bringing my shit.
You should have, but I thought you had. That's why I brought you, nigga.
No, I ain't get my book back.
Supposed to be locked and loaded.
Them bitches made for big nigga like that.
Yeah, that shit, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, that bit made me out niggas like y'all now.
Now you understand.
Shut up, nigga.
Niggas understand.
In between? Nigga, dog is shit. Oh yeah. That bitch.
Underground touring, bro.
Nah, I ain't underground tuning to it. Underground tuning,
Gotta
boy.
go underground touring.
Oh yeah. I thought they was gonna leave me. That bitch talking, bro. That shit so crazy. Nigga, what the fuck you talking about? Nigga, that yam on your nose.
Fuck you, nigga.
Take that yam off your nose.
Yeah, I am, boy.
Hey, what time is it? What time is it? 8 o'clock. I say about a few more minutes we get going. Oh, shit, bitch been playing. Damn. Oh my God, this your big ass plane, bro. Hey, he turned that bitch off.
Oh, he gay.
He might go right here. He might go. We at the car meet now. Car meet now, boys. Little decent little outcome. Off Steve Grove. Got a little Porsche right here. Got a track hawk up there. So. Jesus. Going to the next spot, man. Little vibe, little nice drive. We got the A around us. Cheer in the back. He's just being fruity. Somebody I've been getting off all night, whatever the fuck that means. Good vibes, good vibes. Got the bros. We ain't got no music on right now because somebody need to charge their phone. Hey, which way I keep going, gang? Keep going straight?
Yeah, talk shit in your video.
You said what? I want to talk shit to vid. I'm dead fucking wrong with these hills. Oh shit, what? Back over. We in the park garage now. It's with and this one. Oh my God. And it was. Yeah, darn.
Yeah, but come on, put it up.
What? They got a whole group down there. Damn, bro.
Hey, boy, I dropped my phone, man. Oh, fuck. My skin did hit my butt.
Yeah, I ain't. I'm getting away with that.
I'm with the guy and nigga, we get litty. Work on cycle, we running the city. Honestly, I don't see nobody fucking with me. Niggas be at the bottom tryna run out with me. I'ma hit it from the back. Fuck it up, yeah, I beat up a kidney. She at my body, yeah, she tryna kiss me. I be on her mind, yeah, she said she miss me. Sippin' on Dre, nigga, moving tipsy. I'm for the psychedelics, bitch, I'm trippin'. She know where to go, yeah, I told her it's a different type of rock when you fucking with me. Choppers on silver like with me. Bad bitch, you do your for the brick. Can talk to you, I'm getting money, I'm busy. Slide, my nigga, they told that bitch. I walk in the spot, be my bitch, with these niggas, they saw me.
Yeah. I think so. No. Yeah, bad. Tough. They be tough. They got a tough ass spot. Yeah, I know. Talking a whole lot of, I don't know, but this bitch trim, bro. Nigga, what's good, Brody? That bitch put together. That's a chop car. These bitches hard, bro. These bitches OD hard. That motherfucker right there tough.
I ain't gonna lie, but I've been thinking about going to.
Hey, might got to, man. Might got to. I ain't gonna lie. These bitches right here tough. Oh shit. These bitches right here tough. Oh. I ain't gonna lie to you. By the trail. Shit, why everybody different? That shit right there. real deal. Bro, oh my god. This motherfucker right here is Alita. Jesus. I know they bit fast. I just know they bit fast. That ZL1 go stupid, I ain't gonna lie. This ZL1 is smooth, bro. They been beautiful. It's a clean spec. I fuck with spec here. Alright, what's good, YouTube? So we back. We just got done flicking up, man. Flicking the boys up. We got that damn yam on his face. Shut up, jackass. Yeah, we got the whoop, man. We had to get on out of there. We really waiting for the next spot, but I don't know if there is one. We got Ron on the way to the circle, right? Location. Oh, let's 0.5 the yam. Guys, look, hey, bro. I ain't have to zoom in that much to that fucking yam. Fuck you, nigga. Yeah, we waiting for Tyreek and Ron. Pull up, man. We really just waiting, bro. What you trying that bitch? Yo. Yeah. Well, that's all you hear. Alright, yo. You know what? Shut up, yam.
Yeah, y'all. So it's currently like, I say, probably like a week or so. I wouldn't say a week. Probably like a whole, like, I don't know. It's been a while. The video took a little while to get posted stuff because it was tripping and all that. But I will say, I just want to tell y'all, man, it's a little quick talk to y'all, man. I appreciate y'all and everything y'all do, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff, bro. I really appreciate y'all. I love and shit y'all support, bro. Get shared and all that, man. We're trying to go big, bro. But yeah, is this video's posting of I think Wednesday. I think oh day. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired as hell. The video had got deleted on accident, so I had to re-edit the whole video and all this, that, and the third. But yeah, pretty much this weekend, man. This upcoming weekend. We got Cars and Coffee or either a car meet Saturday. I really don't know which one I'm gonna do. I might do both. If I stay up there, I'll do both. I'm not guaranteeing nothing. But yeah, the content's coming. I still need to do the 10-speed versus wide body scat video. That video is coming. I promise you. Just I need the 10-speed and the 10-speed. Like stuff's being difficult, but I promise y'all that video's coming. That video's gonna be tough. This video gonna be right. I seen everybody want that video, but yeah, pretty much, man, screw all that. But yeah, appreciate y'all, man. Love y'all, man. Keep supporting the vids, bro. Keep pushing out, bro, so I can get this content going. So shit, cause hey, the more subs stuff I get, the more I'm forced to post. I need to get locked in though, bro. But I promise y'all content coming. I need to get more in the camera, actually showing my face for real. It's just off habit of recording everything else instead of myself and me talking and me actually holding the camera up and not pointing it down at the ground when walking around. But yeah, everything, I'm gonna get right, y'all. Better content's coming. Hopefully I get a camera soon, all that. I'm not buying a camera just yet because I feel like the 15 Pro does just what it needs. But yeah, finish it all off. Thank y'all. Keep showing love, man. Y'all stay blessed, stay great, man. God's good.
I don't need anyone.
My money be green and my diamonds they count.